Is your Honda Ridgeline's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprit is the tailgate latch switch, especially in models prior to 2021. This switch can degrade over time or be affected by weather, sending false signals to the body control module, BCM. Start by inspecting the tailgate area for any signs of damage or corrosion. Also, rule out key fob interference by testing the alarm with the fob away from other electronics. If the problem persists, consider performing a system reset by disconnecting the battery for 10 to 15 minutes or using the fob's lock-unlock sequence. Lock X3, unlock X1 while inserting the key. Newer models, 2024 Plus, may have alarm sensitivity settings in Honda's app, allowing you to reduce false triggers. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes like B1126, indicating a tailgate switch circuit failure. Remember, worn-out parts in older models are a frequent issue, but improved latch sensors in newer 2024-2025 Ridgelines have reduced occurrences. If troubleshooting doesn't resolve the alarm issue, replacing the tailgate latch switch is often the next step. DIY repairs are increasingly popular, with affordable parts available online for $20 to $50. Numerous online tutorials, like those on YouTube channels such as Ridgeline Fix Guru, demonstrate the replacement process. For Ridgelines covered by Honda's 2023 recall, campaign ID RDG003, for 2017-2020 models, a free replacement at the dealership is the best option. Preventative maintenance is key. Clean the tailgate latch annually to prevent corrosion. Future Ridgeline models, especially electrified versions, are expected to incorporate advanced sensors and software updates to minimize false alarms. Software-centric fixes are becoming more common, with Honda integrating over-the-air OTA updates in 2024 Plus models. For older models, retrofitting with rust-resistant materials may be necessary in regions with harsh climates to avoid recurring issues.